Take a test light, ground it out. See how the coil's only jumping right there? Won't jump any further. And this is a good one. This is a good one. That's it.
That's the number one.
That's number one. As far as a code for misfire number one, needs a coil.